Hardy's doing a lot of talking through the door this morning. Hey, bud. Hi.
2.25 inches solid, 2.25, 2.3 inches.
Okay, way cool.
I mean, it's a lot.
Yep, it poured after Taekwondo last night. Absolutely poured, and then it took a break, and then it poured some more. Deluge. Come here, Tux. Let's go, bud. Hi. Come on, buddy. Come on. He took the catio for the evening, and Stripe and Morris were up on the platform. That's a first for Morris, I think, certainly for a long time. Matter of fact, Morris has come down to eat, and Stripe is like, you know, I'm having a morning over here. Hi. Hello, sweetheart. Here comes Ruby. We had set an A reminder to come and plug her in because the storm was pretty intense when I came home from Taekwondo. And Dawn went out around 10 and she did finish. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. I am hearing some thunder rumbling off in the distance. I hope it won't be raining in downtown Raleigh this morning. And these guys are here and doing good. You know, I was out to check on them, grab cat bowls for the dishwasher after most of the storm had come through last night, so. Thunder, and it's raining now. I don't want to drive in the rain this morning. Good morning, Ruby. So there's a gap in the heavy rain between Fuquay and downtown Raleigh. I'm hoping by the time we get downtown, a lot of that heavy rain will have moved east. Johnny's hoping that too. He's got his umbrella up here in the front with him though, so in case he has to get out in the rain, he's prepared. It felt a little nicer out there this morning, but not the after the cold front has passed refreshing air that Dawn and I were thinking it was going to feel like this morning. Maybe after these storms come through. Yeah, well, I was hoping to avoid this, so much for that. There is a turn lane over there, sort of. I told Johnny that's flash flooding. Come over here at St. Monica's. I think the worst of it is east now. We just happened to drive through some of the worst rain this morning. Yeah. And I would say it's still raining at the house, but not for long. I think by the time I get home, it won't be raining anymore. So hopefully Dawn and I can go for our walk. I just wasn't expecting it to still be raining this morning, but oh well. It is what it is, right? So Johnny and I decided Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, unless he says otherwise, pickup time is going to be noon. So that means leaving the house at 11, which is doable. I just won't have a lot of time to do much after walking and, you know, getting cleaned up from the walk. So, I don't know. I am sort of wondering how I'll do mowing. So, I can't mow on Tuesdays because I'm gone. And, Thursdays is Michelle Day. So, normally I just get her done on Mondays. So I don't know, I might have to negotiate 1 o'clock or something. We'll see how that's gonna work out. I'll have more time back in the afternoon. I just will lose time that I had at home in the morning when I typically do stuff. And I'm more of a go-getter in the morning than in the afternoon. So we'll see, it'll work out. You can see the yellow symbol up there by the lights. I did have Johnny reach over and turn on rear fog. I normally have front fog on anyway, just to give a little more visibility from behind in that storm. And you know, it's showing you the symbol here with the squiggly lines on the right. It doesn't show you the color it shows up in, but it does show you what you would be looking for, so. This clip's just gonna show big water coming up, hitting the puddle. I'm looking at the right camera here. I was curious what it looked like. Yeah, woo, big water. Ruby plowed through it, no problems. There's a lot of flash flooding this morning. More flash flooding. Here's that left turn lane that was just all full of water. I've been having a lot of fun around town this week with people doing craziness. This person tried to get hit, pulled right in front of me and the other guy. Let's see if it'll play it again for me. I don't know what was happening with them in the turn signal, but yeah, I guess that's not going to show much. But pay attention to the car over here in the left turn lane. The light turns green and me and the guy next to me go, and they just, I don't know, maybe they thought they were going to have a green arrow, but I assure you, we had a green arrow, but they did not. And the guy to the right of me, he wasn't letting off for them coming across at all. See, I seen them coming across and I just didn't gun it and let them get out of the way. But the other guy, not so much. Yeah, there really has just been all kinds of craziness this week. This is also from yesterday. This is on the way home from school, I believe. Coming down 401. Oh, I know. Here, this guy has plenty of room to pull out of the way, but he doesn't get his rear out of the through lane of traffic. He had plenty of room to pull forward another foot. Just an irritant and a potential accident thing. Now, this was downtown in the afternoon. This is the leading up to the school. Got one or two more turns after here, but oh, red light runners. Red light. My button for the other dash cam needs a battery again. Dawn fixed it for me, and like I swear 2 or 3 weeks later before I got back in the habit of hitting it. So I've been hitting the car button, but this car up here on the right's fixing to try to come out right in front of me. And then stop with nobody coming from the other way. Like, just dilly-dally across the street. I don't know what was going on. I mean, I don't know. They had enough time if they'd have stayed. I had to slow significantly for them. They had enough time if they had just continued to cross at a normal pace, but they sort of stopped. It felt like they stopped in front of me. Well, there's still some ominous looking clouds in the sky, but it's not currently raining. I guess I'll evaluate the radar when we get to the house, because over there towards South Park, it's not looking too good right now. I want to walk, but not so bad. I want to get caught in a thunderstorm this morning. It's just now going on 8:30. Well, I think that cell's going to stay south of us, but it's pretty close. I don't know that I'd want to bet money on it staying south. Sanford got pummeled by this cell. Oh wow, Marty's up top. I see Tux in the catio, so he's got him a great spot too. It's not that these guys have pushed him out. All three of them are here. I see Morris asleep too. Hi. Hello everybody. It's a good kitties. Well, it may rain some more, so you should probably stay put. That's how dark it is at 9 o'clock in the morning. I've called it, we're not walking. There's storms north, south, and west. And the cold front's actually passing through now, so we have a chance of walking this afternoon. I'll be home early, and you know, we can try to walk later. There's no sense getting caught out in this right now. Hey, little girl. Hey, nighttime. Poor thing, she was sick last night. She threw up on me several times. I was really worried, but she seemed to feel better after she threw up, so. And seems fine this morning and ate breakfast and everything, but I was really worried there for a bit. I got about 90 minutes, an hour and a half before I need to go pick up Johnny, and I'm going to work on the costume shop. This is a fountain, and there's going to be some flowers in here. Yeah, just working the steps. I'm on number 37. Step 37. Well, I'm still plugging along. Built the bench and starting to do the pedestals inside. There's like a little dressing room for the costume shop over here. There's a little counter to check out, a cash register thing over here. It's coming. I mean, you know, I just doing what I can as fast as I can. I gotta go get Johnny nighttime. Nighttime. I gotta go get Johnny. Yep, it's time to go get Johnny. Everybody's just having a sleepy morning. Morris jumped down even though I tried to tell him it was just me. Then he didn't have to do that. I took a couple pictures of Marty and Morris. I mean, Marty and Stripe. Another 4/10 of an inch. It definitely rained some more, so it's a good thing we didn't walk or we would have absolutely gotten wet. Well, I haven't driven through any rain on the way in, but it certainly, in certain directions, especially behind me, looks like it could be raining or could rain again. I'm gonna get over to the school shortly after 12, which is right when Johnny was expecting me, and I don't think we've got any stops on the way home today. Be taking Johnny back out to Taekwondo, and his father will be picking him up from there for the weekend. There's a Model X street parked. It's got a piece of paper on the hood. Hopefully that's not a ticket. It's busy downtown today. Lots of pedestrians and stuff. Maybe more people are out because it's not so stinking hot. Another Model X parked downtown. I've got Johnny now and we're headed back to the house. Oh my God. I'm laughing because as soon as the Plaid S came up beside the Cadillac's motor started making just a ton of noise, and they were racing. I saw that Plaid S this morning. They have red rim guard protectors, so it looks like a red circle around the wheels, and it definitely had the Plaid insignia. And I was just fixing to point out that I was in traffic with it when the boys, actually it might have been a girl in the Plaid S, when they took off. Well, yesterday USPS said Monday, and now they're here today. But there's the bricks to finish up the townhome, which I'll probably do tomorrow. More progress. You can see the stairs in the back corner over here. Instead of using these, I don't know, little kid wall panels, I'm using real bricks. And it's coming along. It's time to take Johnny to Taekwondo, though. Good kitties. Tux is over here. The only one I don't see handy is Stripe. Unfortunately, Tux and Stripe got into it earlier. And Tux has a bite on his head. It's not very deep, so hopefully it won't get infected. I put betadine on it. I'll keep an eye on it. Hey, hey. So we're headed up to South Park for a walk. We had leftovers.
Yeah,
We're stuffed. We came off our 48-hour fast. We've moved our Skip's dinner night from Tuesday to Thursday. Works a little better, we think, or that's what we're trying this week. But anyway, we're going to go for a short walk since we never walked today, and we're kind of full after we ate. I'm looking for the owner of the Performance Model 3 on his skateboard. I haven't spotted him yet. There's some people at the basketball court and some people over here at the picnic shelter and playground, and I guess, is it after 7? What time is it? 7:09, so the splash pad is officially closed. Well, this makes 4 times around. Don's been a real trooper getting out here with me. I probably asked him for 5 and he'd frown.
Do whatever my girl wants.
Don was a good sport. We went around 6 times. When I hooked him in on this after dinner walk idea, I said, oh, just a couple times around the track. We can do that.
She thought she was fooling me.
I always go for more and not less. That's just how I am.
I thought the over-under was 5.
Well, if we'd have gone around 8 times, that would have been the 2.5 miles. So it would have been 2 more times.
I'll just stay here. You take a nap. You go around a couple, 3 more times.
You're going to plug Jules in whether you need to or not because it's Friday night. There's a Tesla meetup tomorrow. I got to look at what time it is. We'll probably take Ruby. I think I let Don take Jules last time. That ain't happening twice in a row. Marty's over there drinking and Stripe is getting some TLC. I would say it's cool and refreshing out here, but we walked a pretty good clip. I was feeling good at the track, and so I'm pretty sweaty and hot, and it would feel better if I hadn't been exercising.